All right, so in today's video, we're going to look at how to set up the CellAdvisor 5G as a carrier scan for a 5G NR signal. So we'll hit the mode button in the upper left corner, 5G NR signal, carrier scan, and I'm going to give this a name. So we'll call it CA1, and we'll select carrier scan, hit done. Once the measurement sets up, you will need to set up the parameters in order to monitor up to 8 different 5G signals. For this video, we're going to only monitor one signal. So first thing we want to do is there's a small wrench in the bottom right corner. We want to select that wrench. We want to set our center frequency or our channel number to the 5G channel of choice. So I'm going to select 207.1675, apply, and you'll see it automatically set the frequency for me. I'll hit the X to get back to the main screen. From here, we just need to set up the parameters we're going to need to set for this signal. So as before, we will hit the preamp button. I'm going to turn my attenuation to 0 because we are dealing with millimeter waves and we want this machine as sensitive as possible. I'm also going to turn on my DNC preamp to help increase the noise sensitivity. Lastly, as we showed in our beam analyzer video, we need to set up the bandwidth of the signal. So I'll select the bandwidth button. I'll select the bandwidth SSB field, and I'm going to set this to the signal that we are going to look at. And then to this how-to, we will be doing millimeter wave or FR2, 100 megahertz with a subcarrier spacing of 240 kilohertz. Once we do that, the unit will start to scan for the signal. It takes about 3 seconds the first time it does it. And then you'll notice you have, very similar to the beam analyzer, your PCI, your beam index, as well as RSRP. What's different in this unit is we also have an error vector magnitude measurement. So on the screen here, we'll monitor the strongest pilot, in this case, pilot 315 beam 13, with an EVM of roughly 16%. As you can see on the right side of the screen, that'll give me my QPSK modulation. And if you're interested, you can also hit the MIB button and look to verify you have a successful MIB decode. In practice, you would then hit the wrench and set up your carrier number 2. So select carrier number 1, come over here to number 2, turn it on, and again, enter your channel number and or frequency to enter. 207.1675, and then it will start scanning the second channel and running the exact same measurement. Hit the X over here. And that's our carrier scan functionality.
Find out more at Vicom's website.